This statement is true, and in fact, it is one of the common definitions of the term simulation. This statement is false. Python is a general-purpose programming language, and the first version of Python was released years before the term data science was coined. This statement is also false. Python's float type does not support exact floating point arithmetic out of the box, but there are some solutions to this problem which are linked in the GitHub repository. This is simply not true because the power or exponentiation operator has higher precedence while add and subtract operators have lower precedence.